Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. How to pick a winner from a list of names, how to do a raffle in Excel, how to draw a name randomly. This is what we are going to see in today's video. Basically, this is a list of names. Look at my Excel sheet. So in the first column I have taken the numbers and in second column I have taken the names of the students. We have to bring just one winner. To do it, we can use two functions. The first function would be index function, and the second function that we can use is the VLOOKUP function. So let's start the process. For your convenience, I have made another table. In this table we will apply the formulas. In this cell, which is below the number cell, we will write the index formula. Simply select the cell and write the formula equal index, open the bracket and select all the name cell, press comma and write random between. This is also a function. Open the bracket and write 1, press comma and write count A, open the bracket, again select all the number cells 3 times, close the bracket and press enter button. This will randomly select one name from your list every time the sheet refreshes. And by pressing F9 key, the sheet is again refreshing and refreshing. Now our next task is to take a winner name. Every time whenever the number will be changed, then the winner name also change. This is very simple. Simply select the cell and write the formula VLOOKUP. This time we will use VLOOKUP formula for finding the name of the winner. So let's do it. Simply select the cell and write equal VLOOKUP, open the bracket. In lookup value, simply select the cell, that is number cell, press comma and in table array select all the table like column A and column B. Select all the table and press comma. In column index number write 2 because we have to find the winner name. So write 2 and press comma. Now for exact match write 0 and close the bracket, press enter button. This is the winner name. Every time whenever we press F9 key, the number cell and the winner name cell will automatically change. Press again and again F9 cell and see the results. So that's it, how to create a random name selector, that is a lucky draw tool in Excel, or how to pick a winner from a list of names, or how to do a raffle in Excel, and how to draw a name randomly in the Excel sheet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any question or any suggestion to do the next videos, let me know in comment section. And if this video was helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching and keep supporting me. See you in the next video.